Next, Shane Aplacador. Shane Aplacador. Ay, yan na si ate. Doon pala galing. Go lang.
Happy birthday. Actually, I don't know where to start. Ayun, I just wanted to thank you. Kasi thank you for kasi kasi naging unexpected best friend since we were in high school. But honestly, I never get thought that I would get this close. Pero I forgot. As time goes by, naalala ko yung basta yun, thank you for being kind, soft-hearted, and understanding. And actually, simply just being here. And please remember to because you're already such a good because you're already so excited. And we are blessed to have you as our best friend. It's the chapter of your life. Brings you nothing but happiness and endless love. I hope you get it.
Thank you, Ate Shane. Next, Izaira. Sino? Ayan na siya. Izaira.
Hello, Jenna. Happy 18th birthday. The social butterfly of the group. They said that some people come into our lives and quietly make things brighter. And isa ka doon. Thank you for being my light. I wish you the best in life and I hope you find never-ending happiness. Live life to the fullest. You deserve it all, Jenna. Happy 18th birthday.
Thank you po. Next, Alicia Diaz. Miss Alicia. Grabe. Parang wala pa nagtatagalog. Puro English mo. Nakaka-pressure magsalita.
Hello, Jen. Happy 18th birthday. Today is a special milestone, and I hope you truly realize how amazing this moment is. Turning 18 is just about getting older. It's about stepping into a whole new chapter of life filled with freedom, opportunities, lessons, and unpredictable times. Happy 18th birthday, Jen.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Next, Ayesha Ambrosio. Ayesha.
Uminom sa gabi.
Ayan, bet ng mga boys.
Hindi pumatok. Hindi, lakalin.
Happy birthday, Angel. My twin, my sister by heart, and my grandchildren. I can even begin to express how deeply grateful I am to have you in my life. You truly get me, in a way that few people ever could. You understand my heart, my fears, and my dreams. Sometimes even better than I do myself. You're one of the biggest reasons why I'm still here. And for that, I'll be forever grateful to you. You've been my constant source of support, and I honestly don't know where I'd be without you. As you turn 18, I wish you all the happiness, love, and success.
Walang tissue.
Your path is filled with joy, adventure, and
Mama, lumiyak.
knowledge that you are deeply loved and appreciated. May you always know how much you mean to me, how proud I am to you, and how grateful I am to have you in my life. Again, happy birthday, Angel. Sana magka-boyfriend ba tayong dalawa?
Sana maka-boyfriend na daw sila. Sana all! Sana tayong tatlo magka-boyfriend.
Ay,
Naiyak ako! Sorry. Next, Shaira Lombard.
Yan.
Happy birthday, BFF! Happy 18th birthday to may palaging kaaway. Hindi pa compare pag nagpamalditahan ng spicy girl. Tuway kasamang mag-sleep over kahit sa bahay, kala Ate Bebe, kala Krishna, kala sa kahit saan. Tumay kasamang magbantay ng tindahan. Tumay kasamang gumawa ng oil gamit kangkong. Tumay kasamang pagalitan ni Ina. At kasamang nahuli ni Papa na nagsasabunutan kasi nag-aagawan kay James Reed. Happy birthday sa babaeng mahilig magdoble ng sando. Ay palaging kasamang tumambay. Tumay kasama from madungis kung pwede na. Short, kasama kita at kasama mo ako sa lahat ng face mo. At choice. Happy birthday, Angel! I won't wish you na mag-mature na dahil 18 ka na. Kasi nag-promise tayo na sa 30 pa tayo mag-mature. But I wish you achieve everything you dream of and stay what you are. Sana magbago ka na. Cheers to more away and more tagulan with you. I love you.
Oh, sa pa. Next, Kisha Saragosa. Kisha Saragosa.
Happy birthday, my best friend. I can't believe you're 18 now. Time really goes back so fast. I still remember how I used to pray the Lord to give me a sister. Since I grew up as an only child. Then grade 9 came, and I met you. Unexpectedly, we became close. And you became the sister I had always prayed for. We may not be sisters for blood, but in my heart, you are truly my sister. I am so grateful that you are my answered prayer. You mean so much to me, and I hope you know that. Thank you for staying by my side when I was at my lowest. I promise that I will also stay by your side when I really feel like the world is against me. Please continue shining and always be happy. Because you light up every room there.
Tissue, please.
Naiyak na. May tissue ba tayo?
Ganyan
Wala.
lang tayo.
Because you light up every room you are in. I hope our friend.
Walang basic. Take your time. Tissue, tissue.
I hope our friendship lasts forever. Because I don't know what I will do ever. Happy birthday and I love you for the birthday. Thank you.
Thank you po, Ate Kesha. Next, Eliza Totanes.
Happy birthday, Angel. Actually, na-pressure ako mag-message kasi nakakaiyak yung mga pinagsasabi nila sa'yo. Actually po si Angel, kahit Angel yung pangalan niya, napaka-demonya po nito. Sinusuntok niya po ako sa ilalim ng lamesa pag may teacher kaming naharap. Kaya hindi ko po alam bakit Angel yung pangalan. Actually po, nakatatlong pasada siya sa akin eh. Pero yung happy birthday, Angel, wala na nga ako sa script eh. Na-pressure lang ako sa message nila kasi nakakaiyak. Sa 2 years na, almost 2 years nating friendship, yung gigil ko sa'yo, pang-pitok na talaga. Pero ayun, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, Ben. And sana, makakalit mo lahat ng gusto mo at tigilan mo na yung pagiging demonya. Sayang yung ganda mo. Ayun lang, happy birthday. Love you.
Next. Okay, so, ibublow ni Angel yung mga candle nyo. Ayan, may lighter tayong dala siya.
Kulang ng dalawa. Yung lighter dun mo sa wait. Oo. Oo. Yes.
Sorry. Okay lang may ano? Sinde.
Oo.
Picture pa lang muna, sige. Ano tayo?
Ay, ano mo ha?
Ito yung ano camera. Pwede mo sa likod? Pwede sa likod?
Tingin yung kandila. Kandila ah. Yung kandila ingatan nyo. Paipan mo muna yung kandila.
Wagi daw. Jump shot. Pinakamataas tumalo na. May premium.
Tayo ka, tatayo. Tatayo si Angel? Jel, iwan mo yung bulak mo doon. Tatayo ka daw. Doon tatayo. Tayo ka daw.
Yan. Siguro isa-isa na lang. Oh. Una ka na. Okay.
Tawa mo muna yung...
Pwede na. Upo ka lang dyan. Punta na lang sila.
Sige.
Yan. Okay, next. Ayan. Para yung mga wish nila ay matupad para kay Angel. So, meron tayo po. Next.
Asa na? Nag-darby ako.
Get ready na yung ating 80 shots.
80 shot.